think yun na nagkumpleto ng aking katauhan. Yung ma-meet ko yung mga ancestor ko. Trap. Sa ano lang.
Weird din sa akin.
I like it.
Try mo sa akin. Ang lakas.
What did you order?
Weird.
Ay, you're the...
Ang tapang na.
Is it hot?
Sobrang bitter yan.
Here, one is mean rolling. Yeah, the hot pot here will steam the dry layer, and after the dry layer to be done, the chef will open the pot again. Use a chopstick to take the layer out. Yeah, the way the chef make it look like it's a vegetarian version. Nothing inside, only the dry layer only. Yeah, for our group today, I ordered 2 boxes.
Smell the garlic.
For the wood bánh here, why they use the wood bánh? It's because bánh is similar in the pronoun with the pork in the bucket. Bánh, pork, quite similar, right? And the different thing between them is that in the bucket, there's no meat inside the bucket. But there's a lot of meat inside your bánh mì later. Yeah, so the second word here, mì. Mì is for the meat. And to be near translate, bánh mì will mean meat bucket. Meat bucket, yes.
Our first.
Very delicious in Vietnam. It's normally the bowl of soup. Yeah, with the noodle, with the meat, with the vegetable. Everything will be inside one bowl, right? But over here, for this version, as I say, you try the Hanoi version. Yeah, that is a different one, and you can see you have 2 different bowls. One bowl for the noodle, and one bowl for the soup here. Yes, this one is more different. It's because for Hanoi people, we normally call this one is the summer phở noodle. Summer is the season. The hot season. You see the difference between the north flavor and the south flavor. Here's the rice paper. Yeah, it's called the rice paper. It means it's made from rice and you can eat it. Right? For the first step, you will need to open your hand. Yeah, like this. Yeah, not like this, not like this, but like this. Make it flat and put the rice paper on your hand. Yeah, then you use the chopstick here to grab one pieces of the lettuce. Put it at the middle. Yeah. And put it like this. For the white bat here, because it's very hard for rolling, then you can tear it. Here, only use this only. Yes. Then you step by step grab everything here and put it in. Yeah, some Vietnamese phở noodle. Some of the crispy pancake. Now this one is also this one, but different version, the yellow version, and they're rolling it and deep fry it over there. Yes. The main ingredient, nem nướng, which means real pork sausage, real pork sausage. The middle, some mango, fresh mango, cucumber, salad, and some more herb depend on your flavor. After you put everything inside like this, you're gonna need to do the rolling. Be soft and gentle with your hand. That okay? Yeah, and here you done the first step. Second step, dip the sauce and take a bite. So this one, this is the soy chè, hoa cau. Soy chè hoa cau, that's the name of this one. Soy chè is the same with this one, right? Sticky rice with the sweet soup. And what is hoa cau over here?
Flour. You say why is flour?
migrate to Indonesia. Yeah, like inside India.
Ay! Balik na lang tayo dun sa may ano.
Tamad na talaga eh.
Tara na. Balik na.
Ano,
Lazy
gusto
girl.
nyo? Gusto nyo yung mikot?
Hindi, gusto namin kumain.
Tamad pa
Ano sabi mo? Ha?
Doon ka sa may porsyento.
I think yun na nagkumpleto ng aking katauhan. Yung ma-meet ko yung mga ancestor ko.
Marami kang alam, my ka-Grace.
My gosh.
First course, we have papaya salad. Kakabusog, no? Sarap yung sauce.
Oh my God, ang sarap ng sauce.
Really?
Sarap ng sauce.
Yung ano nila dito, pampanago nila yung sauce. No?
Try natin yung spring roll. Ano laman? Gulay.
Tama, gusto nyo? Ito na naman tayo, no? Kain tayo na naman, no? So, we're having
Pakita mo yung ano yan.
video. Naman pala ito.
Uy, ang sarap.
Sarap no?
Mm.
Sauce nila.
Pati yung spring roll. Sarap.
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 Mushroom din, di ba?
Mix. May noodles nga, oh.
Yung glass noodles.
Okay? Okay na mga vlogger friends ko.
Ano sabi mo?
Mga vlogger friends ko, pakainin nyo na.
Namatay.
Sabi mo wala ka eh.
Ako eh, dami mo ano eh. Sabi.
Rice and chicken.
Saktong rice lang.
Saktong rice lang.
Medyo nagdami.
Nag-ano na nung kutsara tinidor. Pinoy na talaga.
For real na to.
For real, for real.
Uy, parang masarap yung chicken.
Sarap yung chicken.
Parang rice.
Gravy, tikman natin.
Parang gusto ko lang trip mo, girl. Ang sarap ng chicken. Ang sarap ng chicken. Sarap. Next ko na si Pia. Paki-adjust na lang gawin ko. Thank you.
I see you in 12 hours, guys.
Dessert time, melon.
Jer, sa'yo tong dako.
Kaya cute yung fire niya, guys.
Mami, hindi po si ano.
For the vlog. One for the vlog.
Gusto ko to. Favorite ko to.
Gusto ko to.
So, ito favorite natin.
Barbecue and
Yun kasi, ano yun pa ng pho. Kasi, yung pho kasi, you have to, do your taste bud, no?
Yeah. Hindi, tsaka ang dami ng ano. Masyado, hindi ko kaya yun.
Sarap. Ano, pero ano lang to, no? Michelin guide.
ang masarap guys.
Ito. Hindi star. Yung pho.
Gosh, so close. Patingin ng mga turista.
What Pia means to you in your life?
Tapos,
With our ChatGPT. Yeah, you mean so much to me. You're not just a friend, you're a family. Nag-rhyme pa. Ako mag-hold ng ano mo.
sige.
Oh, gaya.
Wait. Okay, ready? Wait, nakikita si ate. Ready, go. Hi, Pia. Happy wedding.